Hi there, welcome to another video on vibe code struggles, where I'll document the entire journey, vibe coding, and the tools I find along the line, all unedited. I don't edit these videos, by the way, so the hassle, the histories and stories all documented. Don't forget to subscribe to vibe code struggles. And I found this tool which is of particular interest. It's free to use. I feel that it's a very empowering tool. It basically enables you also contribute to the evolution of these LLMs. So it has battle mode, where basically when you make an inquiry, it's basically going to give you results from two varying LLMs, and then you choose, and based on that they can better evolve AI agents, LLMs and all that. So there is a leaderboard here where by the way, I'm just getting started, so like I said, I don't edit this stuff. I just found this and I find it very empowering, so I'm also uncovering my findings within the course of this video, so you can vote. Now, the interesting thing is that it features all the renowned LLMs that you know of, the best of them basically, and allows you to access them for free. So generally you would pay for Claude Opus 4.5 and all that, but to a large extent you can test it out for free using this outlet. Okay, so if you are into vibe coding, like programming and all that, you'll be able to do that. We are going to test it out in that realm within the course of this video. So you can switch to build apps and websites mode. There is these 3D globes, snakes and ladders. Let's say you want templated prompts ready-made for you. So I'm going to click on one of these prompts and see how it performs. I would try the 3D one because many LLMs struggle with that. But before then, let's quickly scan other things it can do. So here, when you click on new chat, just a moment. No. Web search, so you can carry out web search, generate images. Just a moment, I saw something here. Side by side, okay, compare two models of your choice. Battle with two anonymous models. Direct chat with one model at a time. So these are the different modes. Then let's see, I was seeing something here. It's no longer showing up. Okay, so everything you can do here. You can even create videos, by the way, based on your prompts, because it features, Gemini's, Nano, Banana, everything is available here. So let's focus on coding for now. And then here it says travel, scratch map, live stats counter, maps interface. Let's just click one of this. So by clicking, let's agree. Okay, so superficially looking, here it shows option A and option B. Wow, this is interesting. So it's going to build two variants of what you have requested, and then you can choose. So you see side by side, there's option A. It's going to display on this canvas, and then there is option B that will display on this canvas. Wow. Then you can also download the code, so you'll have access to the code. Of course, you can deploy it to GitHub and push to GitHub and eventually deploy on Vercel. This is as exciting as can be. Now, I would not let this video turn out too lengthy. If it's delaying too much, I would end the video. This is an introductory video to LMArena, but this is just luxury basically. So here I create a Google Maps style interface with all requested features. Let me start by creating the index. So option B, I will now build a Google Maps style interface featuring a custom. Okay, so it's writing out the entire plan. Of course, you can use this information as well in case you want to build it elsewhere, maybe anti-gravity or cursor. This is the entire plan, so you can also use this for that as well. Okay, So I may not be able to show the end result, but it would have been exciting to be able to show the end result. But considering this is an introductory video, I want to keep the video short. In the next video, I'll also try it for imagery, for 3D graphics and all that, to see how it will fare in that realm. So what I'll do is I'll just wait a bit, and if it doesn't show the end result, I'll be doing a follow-up video on this. I signed up for this for free. It doesn't have a credit system. You have the ability of tipping them, however. So, and I think that this sluggishness is as a result of that, you know. So you would have to be able to compromise in terms of speed to be able to use it for free. And if you want to have a say on the model selection, perhaps you can try, you know, any of these other options like side by side. Okay, so I'll have to end this video now, get started with it. Of course, I'm going to do a follow-up video to show you the results and other things that LMArena can accomplish. I'll be ending this video now. Don't forget to subscribe to Vibe Code Struggles and share the video to whom it may apply. You know, this video, it may not appeal to the experts, but those who are just starting with vibe coding like me, I believe I have an inspirational intent to these videos. Avenues to reach me will be in the description and some other resources. Stay awesome, take action, you know, start building those your world adjusting dreams you now can. Okay.